Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add URL in Canva. It's quite simple. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say I want to add URL here. Let's type in something like editing 24/7. Editing 24/7. So let's say I want to add URL. So let's go to this. As you can see, there's a 3-dot bar. Let's tap in there. And here you can see the option that's a link. Let's tap in there. And all you have to do is copy and paste the link, the actual link. Or in this case, I'm going to simply tap in youtube.com and enter. And here you can see I'm just randomly typing YouTube, but in your case you can actually like copy the actual link and paste it over here. That way it can like lead to this URL. So this is how you add URL in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.